Oh, good job. You cooking for Mom? Good job. Zima, get out of the way. You gonna stir it? Very good. You gonna put it back on the stove? Hey, are you standing on the stove again? Don't stand on the oven. You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it. Nah, get down. Sid, get down before you break it. Let's close it. Let's close it. Is it Grammy on the phone? You gonna talk to Grammy? Yeah? Hello. Bye. Here, you want me to hang up the phone? Here you go. Sydney Lynn, get off that oven door. Does Mommy need to get you a stool? Yeah, you need a stool? Because you're going to break your oven. Can you put the pot on the stove? Where'd you put the pot at? Is this the pot right here? Can you put it on the stove? No, let's put it on the stove. Sydney, are you standing on your oven? Are you supposed to stand on your oven?